Are you looking for the best investment earning apps to grow money in 2025? Listen, this video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only, but I want to share something with you. In today's world, you can invest and grow your money right from the phone, okay? But with so many apps available, it can be hard to know which ones are the best. So the good news is we got you covered, all right? I'm going to tell you something. In this video, we're going to explore some of the top investment apps that can really help you to earn money and to build wealth in 2025, all right? So here are 5. I'll give you 5 of the best investment apps that you should check out, okay? First one is Robinhood. Robinhood makes investing simple with no commissions and on stocks, ETFs, and crypto. The second one you got to check out is Acorns. Acorns rounds up your everyday purchases to invest the change for you. Betterment, okay, that's the third option. I'll put them all in the description. Betterment is a robo-advisor that helps you make smart investments without much effort. Another one is called Stash. Stash helps beginners to learn about investing with easy to follow guides and low cost options. And then there's also Wealthfront, which offers automated investing with low fees, perfect for long-term growth. And you should focus on long-term growth. With these apps, you can start earning money and growing your money no matter how busy you are. And the best time to start is now. And if you like these options, leave me a like. I love you.